Today, thank you for joining us. Today, we're going to be cooking with tea.
Hey, okay, and what are we going to use? What's seasoning today?
We're going to use green ginger seeds.
Sesame.
Ginger sesame.
Yeah, and what kind of tea does it have in it? Do you remember?
It has green tea.
Yeah. Okay, why don't you read the whole ingredients so they have an idea of what's in it?
Alright, let me just see where the ingredients. Alright, no. Oh, here it is. Ginger powder, sesame seeds, garlic powder, sesame seeds, ginger powder, maple syrup,
Maple sugar, yeah.
maple sugar, salt, and onion powder, black pepper, and green tea.
Do you want to try it?
Sure.
I won't tell if you won't tell. What do you think? Garlicky?
The black pepper is really spicy.
Well, you're not a huge spice seeker
Yeah.
anyways. All right, so let's make our dressing.
So we take this bottle.
Yeah, that's our dressing maker from Sipology. Okay, open it up.
Now we take this out.
Yep.
Put it. Sorry about that. Take it to the side. And now we opened up this.
Well, you can keep that open, sure. Okay, so you guys kind of like a sweet dressing, and we're making for a family of 4 today, so we need quite a bit of dressing.
So maybe this.
Why don't we start with our orange juice?
Alright. Can you help me open this one?
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, can you pour the orange juice to about
2.
the number 2 there? I'm going to help you with that. There we go. Okay, now grab the avocado oil. And if you don't have avocado oil, any kind of oil will do.
Oh, good. Here it is.
Yeah. And let's do your tablespoon.
My tablespoon's right here. So will we do it over here?
Yes, we're going to add 3.
Oh, that's enough.
Turn.
1, 2, 3. It looks like the egg thing in like eggs.
Yeah, just the way it's separating the orange juice from the oil. All right, soy sauce.
Soy sauce, soy sauce.
Because we want to add a little bit of salt flavoring. Because again, what kind of salad are we going to make? It's kind of like a chicken Asian noodle salad, right?
Can you help me open this?
Yeah. Where's your tablespoon?
My tablespoon.
Okay, let's add 2 of these.
Oh,
That's good.
1,
Good job.
2. Whoa.
All right, now the rice vinegar. That's the one closest to you in the glass jar. Yeah,
Wait, it's glass.
it is.
Can I open it?
Sure.
So how much more? How much do we need?
Let's add about 3 of these. 1,
1,
2.
2.
There we go.
3.
And then again, the seasoning does have maple sugar in it, so you don't need to add extra sugar, but
We like to.
you guys eat more vegetables this way, so
1, 2.
that's a lot to do to hold the container and the spoon, kiddo.
Ah!
There we go. 1 full tablespoon.
That's really good to say.
All
Now we do
right.
this.
Yes. I'm going to need that tablespoon. I just want to
Yeah. So we
clean
don't,
that off a little bit.
We don't get maple syrup in here.
Are you sticky already or you're good?
Yeah. I'm not sticky.
All right, let's add 2 tablespoons.
Can I
Just
do
like
the next one.
Like that. Okay, and dump that in. Good job. And one more. Yeah, dump some of that out, kiddo.
Okay.
There you go.
2.
Okay.
Get that stuff in.
Now what do we do?
Oh, we put this
The
in.
little shaker part in.
Shake a part in. And now we put on the lid. Can you help me tighten this?
Alright, it's nice and tight. Show them what you do.
Whoa.
Pretty easy, right?
Uh-oh.
Okay, so now what do we have our dressing made. What do we do now?
Now we take off the black lid.
Okay, we gotta make our salad.
Oh.
So let's get our bowl.
Mm.
Okay, do you want to start with some greens?
Sure. Is this enough?
I think so. Spinach from the garden, right?
Yeah, and I don't like.
The stems?
Yeah.
Well, they did have big stems on there. Okay, I'll help you do this part fast. All right.
Well, there's only a few more. There's only a little stems. Nope, one more.
All right, so you got your spinach in there? Beautiful. All right, let's add your noodles. And we're just using rice noodles. You can use any kind of noodles that you like.
Because these are my favorite.
All right, try using the fork. If you have to use your hands, you can do that too.
Bug, my face. Ah.
Okay, use your hands, that's fine. That's a good idea. All right, put your noodles all in there. All right, now your veggies.
I'm gonna add a little bit of
What are those called?
bean sprouts.
Yeah, bean sprouts.
And some carrots. It's looking good already. The little more.
All right.
And 2 for me. I like carrots.
Okay, red peppers. Kind of decorating that whole bowl around there, aren't you? Okay,
1 for me.
and some edamames.
I love edamames.
We usually buy those frozen from the grocery store.
There.
Okay, and we've got some
Chicken.
leftover chicken from the other night. Perfect.
No. Not that much. It's not that much.
Oh, you're getting super artistic with that.
And 1 for me.
Okay.
And now the last ingredients for it is
Well, let's do our dressing.
No, the oranges.
Yeah, then we'll do our toppings.
Okay.
So just shake that up one more time.
Alright.
Awesome.
This doesn't look like the white one.
Okay, then take the lid off. Perfect. And show them that it's got like a nice pouring spout too. All right, dress up your salad, kid. Good job.
There.
Beautiful. And now you want your oranges, right?
My oranges are the favorite.
So we've got some oranges, and then if you want to put some peanuts or sesame seeds on top.
this is looking really good. Isn't it, Mom?
All right. Okay. Are you going to do the peanuts and sesames?
There.
Awesome.
And now, little sesame.
Yeah, you don't have to do the whole bowl. There's quite a few in there.
There.
Awesome. Should we show them your masterpiece? Good job, Ellie. All right, taste test time.
Do I just use no?
You
this
should
goes
use
in
a fork.
here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I choose this.
You've got everything in that bite. Awesome. Oh my. Go for it. Couldn't take a nice dainty bite, could ya? Okay.
Good.
Good job. All right. Tell us if you like this video and if you're going to try this recipe. Should we make this again?
Yeah.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.